In this video, you'll learn how to host your website on Firebase for free with blazing fast speed and global reach. First, go to firebase.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click Add Project, enter a name, and follow the quick setup wizard to create your Firebase project in under a minute. Next, install the Firebase CLI on your computer by opening your terminal and running npm install.g firebase-tools. Then type Firebase login to authenticate your account directly from the command line. Now, go to your websites folder and run Firebase init hosting. Select the project you just created, set your public directory, usually public, build, or dist, and choose whether your site is a single-page app. Once that's configured, simply run Firebase deploy. Firebase will instantly upload your files and generate a live URL hosted on Google's global CDN, complete with free SSL and HTTPS support. Finally, if you want a custom domain, open the Firebase console, go to the Hosting tab, and click Add Custom Domain. Follow the DNS setup instructions and your domain will be connected in no time. And that's it. Your website is officially live on Firebase, fast, secure, and completely free to get started.